Welcome tech lovers, Ibrar here. Today I am going to cover Mastering Dockerfile Part 3. This is the part 22 of Docker 0 to Hero series. In this video we will learn to make Docker app image from the base image. DevOps in Action channel is more focused on DevOps in easy way. You always found complexity in simplicity here. Each video guide is available in video's description. Here will be only action as channel name is DevOps in Action. So let's jump to the lab without any delay. On channel you can find out the GitHub link, and in the repo you can find out day 22. Here today we are going to cover to make app from the base image. Yesterday we covered to make base image, but today we are going to make application from the base image. So here is the base image which we built yesterday, and we are going to build this two app today. One is the Nginx web app, and second one is the PHP web app. Okay, so let's start. Before that, let's understand what is inside the code. And you are aware that I already shared this shell script with you guys, and there are these things with you already. And one more thing here I added. I am going to make two tags at once. The first tag is the latest one, and the second tag is based on this tag which I defined based on the timing here. And after the building this image, I am pushing both tag to the Docker repository. Similar in PHP as well, I am doing the same thing. And one more thing here, I am using the base image as a source on the both application Nginx and PHP one. Here you can see. And let's see, this base image is available in our Docker private repo. Docker and Docker. You can see here in the namespace base we published these base images. Today we are going to publish in the prod namespace. Okay, so let's see where we defined that one. Yeah, here you can see we change the namespace from the base to prod because this is the final application. And in the same here you can see the same prod namespace, and this is the final PHP application. So let's see in action. And I am cloning this git repo, opening terminal, cd demo, and cloning the repo. Okay, so repo clone done, and entering the today's date file folder. And let's build first of all PHP. So cd PHP, and there is one file that is build PHP app. And in the code I added one index.php which is basically print php info.php. so I am just adding a simple static one page file here. Okay, base build php app.sh. let's maximize it. Yes, it's done, and it's already taken some layers from the base image and build done. So let's see in new tab. here this is the basically one single static file php.info.php, and we can find out any extension, any module here based on the search, right? So our application done. And one more thing here I want to highlight you. Before that it was only one namespace, which is base, and now you can see the second namespace as prod. Inside the prod you can see two tag here. One is the latest, one is the different date, which I mentioned in this environment variable. You can do based on your requirement, but basically I am using this kind of environment in my production environment. It will be helpful to get latest image, and if you want to roll back, then you need to just revert back to this tag. It is very simple. Okay, so we see the next one. This one is the PHP. Let's enter the Nginx one and base build Nginx app. It's building, exporting images, build completed successfully, and pushing to the Docker Hub repo under the prod name space. It's done, and our URL is this one. So copy this one and refresh it. So in this application, basically I added a simple HTML code which is password generated. You can find out the code here. Inside the code you can see index HTML, script.js, and style CSS. And for PHP you can see this is the PHP one, right? So we deployed both PHP and HTML with our base image, and yeah, we're done. I think shell script is not good fit for DevOps tasks, so we should jump on the Jenkins pipeline to do the same thing to achieve production grade deployment. So I'm not going to continue this Docker series as of now, and I'm going to jump on another topic like Jenkins, Docker Compose, and other things. We will continue. We will complete this Docker 0 to Hero series, but the requirement is to show you the actual DevOps in production environment. That's the reason I am keeping this series on hold, and I'm not holding it for a long period of time, but in between I'm going to upload different kind of series, different kind of videos like Docker Compose, Jenkins, GitLab, etc, etc. I think that is enough. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.